Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, you can see we bought a mini excavator. As you can see, there is a little bit slack. I will show you when we find this paper.
Because this was the budget one, you say?
Yes.
Well, hey. So his criteria was
You see,
the joysticks.
the joysticks here and not like this, because this is not so good for the back.
Have you tried it?
No, but I wanted this so I can sit a little bit more relaxed. Maybe have a cup of coffee when we do the work.
Show me the lights.
Oh yes.
Her er.
Never.
Ja, ja. Litt skranglet, men it's a Kubota engine, so it's the parts accessibility should not be that bad. Ikke treff båten!
We think about having this quick up because this is not okay. So bad.
You can guess what he wanted. He wanted a Januar, but he didn't get his will. But oh well.
This is
Good
yes.
enough for now.
But yeah, I really like this because we can have hammer, you know, bucket with this, and yes, but this is big problem. Here you can see we are going to weld this like a thumb. You see, this is not good. So we have to continue take off this pin. We got these shims, and yes.
The reason for this is because we tried with the sledge, but no luck. We don't want to hold it while the other one is giving the beans. Good, he's wearing the safety shoes.
Yes. Der var I gang.
Nej. Oh. Up.
Now we have to fix the weld. Filmer du? Now we're just cleaning so we don't get okay. Skulle du ha det der?
Sit rep.
Because we can test to see it's a little bit slack inside as well, but now it's
You don't remember what way it was?
Okay, the backpack motor. Now there is not so much slack here, not so much slack here, not so much slack there, only in the bucket, and
also here.
This connection and making this connection. We are tightening it up and installing a thumb, so that will maybe come in the mail tomorrow, hopefully. Cross the fingers. But you will see in the video anyways.
Okay.
As you can see, we got this thumb, so we are going to weld on this. This is just, we will show you after how it works. So we're on to here, really excited. Okay, but det den så på gående I alle fall. Men det jo success! Now we're welded all the way around. A thumb as a helper, but this is pretty light, so no problem.
Hva skjer hvis du bånder den ut? Ta den borti. Ikke slipp den, ikke slipp den.
think I want, if possible, maybe make new hole, a little bit more aggressive, maybe something like maybe something like this. Yes, we will clean this up later, but show from this angle.
Hold on. Og så ned litt ned. Pass på hodet nå. Åh, man.
Se for deg å gjøre dette her på hånd.
Ja, tenk det, ja. Det er sant. Oi! Game changer! Wow!